If you're looking for garden hand tools, cultivators and tillers, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Top 10 Garden Hand Tools, Cultivators and Tillers. Number 1, Most Popular, by Covery. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Bully Tools. Number 3, by Garden and Patio. For more details about these garden hand tools, cultivators and tillers, just click this circle. Number 4, by Fiskars. Number 5, by Butler. Find these garden hand tools, cultivators and tillers at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Fiskars. Number 7, by Paw Products. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Bully Tools. Number 9, by Tierra Garden. Discover more garden hand tools, cultivators and tillers ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Hop Topper.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.